got me a bad bitch. Ooh, she kinda ratchet, but she classy. Ooh, behind the door.
Ay, little booties matter, little booties matter. Take a nigga check, cause them little booties matter.
Hey doll babies, welcome back to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, nice to meet you. Don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe to join the gang. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a jean try on haul, okay sis? My butt, I feel like I'm not really slim thick, but I'm more on the petite side, but I do have a little booty. Okay, I bought you some jeans so you guys can see what they look like on me. Got jeans from Rue21, TJ Maxx, Fashionnova. So enough talking. If you're interested in this video, let's get right onto it. Let's go onto the video.
Talking about real life, I ain't speak French now. Giving me signs, so I'm gotta take a hit now.
You the one made for me, yeah. Treat you like royalty, baby. Just for your loyalty, baby. My only priority, baby. Thanks for supporting me.